Hello, everyone. If you feel like nothing in this world can amaze you anymore, then welcome to our collection of breathtaking moments captured from every corner of the globe. Ready to have your heart stirred and your spirit lifted? This journey will definitely add magic to your everyday life. Let's dive in. Picture this, a daredevil gripping the wheel of his sleek sports car, performing jaw-dropping stunts right inside a gas station. Can you believe the nerves and sheer boldness it takes? The crowd watches in stunned silence, breath caught. Are you ready to witness pure adrenaline unleashed? Suddenly, a careless move by a crane operator sends shockwaves of panic through nearby workers. Have you ever thought about how quickly disaster can strike on the job? Safety isn't a choice, it's a must. Let's all remember to stay alert and protect each other in every moment. This car moves as if controlled by magic, gliding forward all on its own. Isn't it hilarious and surreal to see a machine seemingly with a mind of its own? Sometimes reality feels stranger than fiction. What would you do if your car started driving itself? Imagine a man standing firm, courage blazing in his eyes, as he tries to stop a wild bear from invading his home. How would you react if nature's raw power knocked on your door uninvited? His determination is a powerful reminder of the fragile boundary between humans and wilderness. Now, picture yourself resting peacefully in your favorite bed when suddenly a huge, long creature slithers over and wraps around you. Isn't that a nightmare you'd never want to face? Fortunately, this brave woman sensed danger in time. Thank goodness for her quick reflexes that saved her life. Beneath the sandy beach lie creatures hidden in wait, patiently watching for the waves to bring them to the surface. Have you ever wondered what mysteries lie beneath the ocean's calm? These secretive beings remind us of nature's quiet, mysterious rhythms that we barely glimpse. Here stands a master craftsman with his trusty vehicle, every move precise and confident. Doesn't true skill and dedication shine brightest when paired with the right tools? Witnessing such expertise in action inspires awe and respect. What crafts do you pour your heart into? Human-made artworks captivate us endlessly. No engines needed, only the power of sea winds set them in motion. Isn't it incredible how creativity and nature combine to produce such mesmerizing beauty? These creations remind us that art moves beyond mechanics. It lives and breathes with the world. Wild nature is fierce and unyielding, constantly pushing every creature to adapt and survive against all odds. Have you ever felt the raw intensity of the wild? It's a relentless battle where only the strongest or the smartest thrive, teaching us the harsh yet beautiful lessons of life itself. When Mother Nature unleashes her fury, humans feel utterly small and powerless in the face of her wrath. Doesn't it humble you to witness storms that can reshape landscapes and shake souls? These moments remind us how fragile our existence truly is beneath the vastness of the earth. This man is carving a memory he will never forget, a moment etched in time by his own bold actions. What stories will you leave behind through your choices? Every second is a chance to define yourself, to create moments that echo far beyond the present. What would you do if a massive wild crocodile wandered into your path, fierce and lost? Would you run away, frozen with fear? Watch as this courageous man faces the beast head-on, showing bravery that defies instinct. Can you feel the pulse of courage in this incredible encounter? This lion seems utterly lost, separated from his pride, wandering the city streets in bewilderment. How does a king of the jungle cope when trapped in an alien world? His desperate search stirs deep empathy. Have you ever felt as lost in a place that should have been safe? Skiers are true artists of speed and balance, dancing gracefully on icy slopes. But beneath the beauty lies hidden danger. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What moment touched you the most? Let's keep this amazing journey alive together. Your voice makes all the difference.